hi Jeevan, what I need to do is name any card that you like, okay? Make sure that it's not a king, queen or ace, like, just make sure that it's not a common card basically. Anything at all.
8 of clubs.
8 of clubs. Now I was not expecting that, but are you happy with it or you want to change it? Happy, okay, things are going as per plan. Just kidding. Okay, so normally what happens is, okay, you must have seen this deck before, okay, I'll just try and show it to you. Okay, this deck has this small guy out here, okay, this deck has this small guy out here who has a hat, okay, who's wearing a hat right now. And what we're going to do is, you must have seen this thing where, magicians take out their hat and something comes out. And Jeevan, okay, let's see what this magician has for you. Okay, so if this magician takes out his hat, okay, and if he just goes ahead and does this, there's one card which he has in his hat, which is the 8 of clubs. Okay, I'll just show it to you all again, just in case if you're wondering something is wrong. The magician is going to take out his hat, and this hat is going to come out with one card, the only card, which is the 8 of clubs. Now, if you need this deck, all you need to do is attend a gig, come for a gig, take this deck away if you like to do street magic, okay? And if you need to know this trick, I'll be always happy to teach this to you all.